know that words are powerful. So how are you using yours and your messaging to serve your clients and bring in new leads? Let's talk about that next, coming up. Do you want to create, market, or scale your online fitness business? My name's Sean Garner, and here we give real fit pros the tips, tools, and strategies they need to succeed online. Welcome to the EntreFit Podcast. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the EntreFit Podcast. If this is your first time hanging out with us, hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Hopefully this adds lots of value to you, where our whole mission here is to help the real fit pros win online. If you listened to our last episode, we talked a lot about the mantra that I kind of live by is what's your T, truth, power of words. We've talked on here before about daily affirmations and speaking life into your business and to others. And I believe that this is honestly one of the big missing components between just barely making it and success, especially whenever it comes to your fitness business and your online fitness business. You know, I see people that spend lots of time getting these beautiful photo shoots done for their website, making sure their website looks really pretty. Their social grid is, on point and everything matches and is on brand. But they spend minimal to no time and effort on the words and messaging that they're using on all that collateral. Words sell, guys. That's what's going to get you to connect with these clients, these leads, or as I should say, potential clients that you're trying to connect with online. Words are what builds your community. And this is such a big missing thing that I'm seeing so many people miss when it comes to growing online. So what I want to do is just share with you guys today just two very simple things and thoughts to take into building out your messaging for your clients or for your potential clients. So first off, we know words are powerful. How are you, I asked the question to my clients last week, how are you using your words to serve and add value to your clients? Whenever you're doing these weekly check-ins with them, your daily sessions, your classes with them, how are you taking that opportunity to speak into them and to add value and to serve them? Very few people, I think, really just kind of step back and want to make that emotional connection, to dig and to kind of go to those deeper spots with people. But that is one of the things that gets you from a client to a forever client. Making sure that you have that connection with them and that you truly care about them as a person. And we do that with our words, checking in on them, even though they might not have a session with you that day, checking in on them, even if it's not your normal scheduled check-in time, checking into just the random people that maybe purchase one of your low ticket or subscription or download your ebook, just checking on people to show that you actually care, because that's one of the things that's going to distinguish a person just trying to make money and somebody that's actually servant-hearted and cares about the people that they're called to serve. So two things to think about. That's for your existing clients, right? Two things to think about as far as the messaging for your future clients or for the leads that you're trying to bring in is when it comes and it relates to your messaging. Number one, you have to be able to answer these questions, because if you can't, and if you go, your clients and potential clients and leads absolutely can't answer this stuff for you. So number one, how are you making your clients' lives better, and what problem do you solve for them? And I'll tell you this, how you're making their lives better cannot be I give them better workouts, and what problem you solve for them is I give them workouts, because I personally don't know anybody that is looking for workouts. They're not looking for a fitness program. They're not looking for personal training. They're looking for the results or byproducts that those things typically bring. If they could get those things without working out, they would do it, right? We see this all the time. People always try to look for the secret supplement that's going to get them six-pack shredded or any type of shortcut that they can take. They don't actually want to do the thing that you sell. They want the result of those things. So knowing that in your messaging on websites, on emails, on social media posts, on your online storefront, it should be speaking to those things. Really take some time and dig in. How do you make your clients' lives better? what problem are they really looking to have solved? Is it increased confidence? Is it an increased love of self? Is it more self-worth? Is it more energy? Is it strength? What are they looking for? What problem are they dealing with? Is it, man, that last 10 pounds of stubborn belly fat? Is it, man, just getting off the couch? Is it, I want to run a 5K? Whatever it is, that should be the heart and the focus of your messaging, is the problem that you solve for them. The second part with that is, how is their life going to be better if they solve that problem? Because those two components right there, if you can really articulate that and lock down on this, I believe it was Russell Brunson who always says this: the better you are at being able to explain your customers' problems, the more likely they are to believe that you're the one that has the solution for it. So Fit Pros, they would rather spend time creating these really beautiful pictures of themselves to post on social media, post on their website, but they're not spending the time to really ask themselves and dig down deep into the problem that they're solving and how they make their customers' lives better. Because the person that does do that better is going to be the one that ends up converting those leads into clients. And then if they understand that philosophy and they go back to what I said earlier, as far as just having those words speak life and speak power into them, now they don't just have those clients for a quick 12-week program. Now they have them as forever clients. So that's the first thing, is really dig in and being able to understand and articulate the problem that you solve and how you make your clients' lives better. The second thing is, how clear are you communicating that? Are your potential clients able to say what you do, how you're going to make their lives better, and what they need to do to get started with you? Because whenever somebody comes to your website, your landing page, your online storefront, your social profiles, if they can't answer those questions, and honestly, I think the last study said like 2.7 seconds, they're going to bounce. They're looking for solutions to their problems. And the more clearly you communicate that you have the solution to those problems, the greater your chances are of getting those people to convert to a searcher, to an interested lead, to a client, to then a forever client. So whenever they come to your profiles, any type of online storefront that you have, even walking in your facility, if you have a brick and mortar facility, are they really able to say what you do, how you make their lives better, and what they need to do to get started with you? In fitness, it's kind of easy, right? The product, the thing that we're selling most likely is either some type of coaching program, some type of gym membership or online membership, some type of supplement or some type of product. That's typically this thing that we're selling. But I think that even though it seems basic and simple to us, those could still be for very different things. So when people land on your website, land on those social media profiles, can they instantly tell which one of those things it is? Well, is this person trying to sell supplements? Are they trying to sell a coaching program? Do they have a gym? Do they have an ebook? Do they have a membership site? Do they have a personal training business? Do they do group fitness classes? Are they selling at-home fitness, like physical products like dumbbells, bands, and stuff like that? If they can't quickly answer that, they're going to bounce. Then once they know what it is that you do, the second thing they have to be able to quickly answer is, well, okay, how is that thing going to make my life better? What problem does it solve for me? Like we talked about before. Because if they can't answer that, like, okay, cool, this person does online fitness coaching. If they don't know how it's going to make their life better, why would they want to keep digging deep into it? Because like I said, nobody wants to buy a fitness program. They're looking for those other things. They're looking possibly for a sense of community. They're looking for that accountability. They're looking for some consistency in their life. They're looking for some discipline because they know that that will lead into other areas of their life. They're looking for, increased health markers, lower body fat percentage, increased muscle mass. They're looking for those things. And the result and how they get those is the byproduct of your fitness coaching program. So making sure that we're articulating all of those things very quickly and as clearly as possible on all of those online storefront places. Then the third thing that we have to do is we have to make it easy for our customers to do business with you. Listen, I've talked to you guys about it before. I'm a big Russell Brunson fan. I think he is an incredible leader. He's built something really cool with ClickFunnels and is really good at helping people with their messaging and getting so many people started. However, I see too many people kind of get suckered into building out these huge, complicated sales funnels with all of these triggers and optimizations and stuff like that, to where they get so removed and disconnected from their community that it's too difficult to get started with them. Like, okay, well, if you want to get started with me, first you got to download this ebook, enter in your email address, and then it's going to make you watch this sales video. Then you're going to book a call, and then you're going to do a call with one of my assistants. And then if they feel it's good, then we're going to hop on a call together and do that coaching call. Like, there's so many steps in the process. Make it really simple for people to reach out and engage with you. There's so much to say on that, but the quick version is, guys, what you do from A to B is not what you do from B to C, is not what you do from C to D. So as your business grows, yes, you might have to put some of those steps in process, but when you're first starting out with your business, guys, man, remove all the barriers to entry that it takes for somebody to do business with you and make it super clear on exactly what they need to do. I see so many people that don't even have a website, so it'll just be DM me for coaching. DM you what for coaching? Be very clear on what you want your customers to do. Hey, DM me coaching for my coaching program. DM me get started today. Like, be extremely clear and specific about what steps you want them to do on their website. Nobody wants to learn more. They want to get started. They need to schedule their call. You need to be extremely clear and explicit on what they need to do to get started with you, to get the result that you promise that you can deliver, to join the thing that you do, whether it be your coaching program, your product, your subscription service, whatever it is. You got to be super clear with that stuff. So, words are powerful. Use them to serve the clients you already have and attract the ones that you're looking to get. So, quick recap. Number one, how are you making your clients' lives better, and what problem do you solve for them? Number two, within 3 seconds, you need to very clearly be able to communicate 3 things. What do you do? How you make their lives better, and what they need to do to get started with you guys. If you own this, really take some time, rewind this play, take some notes, and answer these questions. I promise not only will you start to better serve your clients, but you'll start to attract more, but more importantly, more quality clients, the ones that you are called to serve, because I firmly believe there's some people you are called to serve and others not so much. So, man, guys, hope this adds value to you. If so, do me a huge favor, share this with a fellow Fit Pro friend. And if you want to dive deeper into this is exactly one of the things that we cover in our coaching program. You can get started. It's entrefitcoaching.com. If you are looking for, in my opinion, the world's greatest fitness business coach, you can get started. You can try our coaching program out for only $1. Go to entrefitcoaching.com. Drop in your name and email address, and I will personally reach out to you and learn a little bit more about your fitness business, see what your goals are, what your blockers are, so we can help you move forward to win online. Love you guys. Have an awesome day, and we will talk soon.